after that, she took that and then put the banana with the egg. So I tried another food here in Thailand. It looks good. It's only 35 baht. It's only 35 baht. So let's try another food. I think it's good. The roti banana. I like it. So this one, I don't know what is this. Kanina Milo.
刚刚那种开啊，没有
Ngayon
ใส่
ay
รวมเลยก็ได้
sa pinagsama.
เท่าไหร่
With gatas. Okay, that's 35 baht, equivalent to peso is almost 70 pesos. So that's how they do it. And this one is mine, the roti banana.